Hi there, welcome back. Scott from Wessex Blades in my little craft room. I've got a quick unboxing from Born Survivor supplies and a mystery box. I can't even begin to think what it is. Mystery. Okay, so let's do the one that I think I know what it is. I had a message on the phone. Would I be interested in this? Very good price posted. Jumped on it. I just jumped on it. So, Englishman's letter opener there. That's what every desk needs. So, well packed. That goes down there, recycled. Look at that. Dogs. I'll stop in a minute, but hey, moving on. So, fat down one end, thin down the other. What do you reckon it'll be? Let's have a look at this. The Wessex grin. The Wessex grin. An extra one in there, and it's a little a sticker or something. What's this? Got something. It's a sticker. Is that a sticker? Yeah, where that's going. My wall of flame. The man loves his knives. He loves his axes, but what he really, really loves is a tomahawk. I think this is a Frontier Hawk. It's got the grub screw, just no handle. These things are nigh on 40 quid with the handle. Born Survivor supplies. As is. £18 posted. I am not going to faff around and forge weld that for £18. Oh, so has a utility edge on it. Should be able to cut cardboard for now. Yeah, so that shall be hafted as soon as possible. I love tomahawks. Because if you had just a mask and a bug out bag and you put that in as is, you've still got a knife. You've still got an ulu. Yeah. And you literally can get away and get yourself a pole and then trim it up, make it fit. Right? You can actually just go out with that. And it's so much easier doing a pole for a tomahawk than it is for an axe. You just got to make it have a big fat end on it so it just bangs on. Boom, boom. That's it. Oh, I love tomahawks. So that to play with at some point. And on to this one. Bit petted as a book. That's usually what happens. Ooh. You're joking! I had a conversation with Olight and I asked them they asked me as to whether I'd be interested in another review. I said yes, of course, and they gave me a list of 4. They were slightly bigger than the one I did last time. There was a head torch. They mentioned the M2T and the R50 Seeker, and I said I could do either or, entirely up to you. There is, however, a plethora of warrior ones out there in terms of video reviews, so that one might be an idea. They've only gone and sent both. That means Olight must think that my videos are pretty good. So I should be doing a really good sort of review on these. I've been looking at this warrior for about a year now. The the reviews on it are it's a kick-ass bit of kit. And then there's a Claris as well. This thing seems to be knocking it into touch. So the R50's been great, and there's an R50 Pro as well, very similar to that, but more for security. So these are amazing bits of kit. That's gonna be fun. I wonder if it comes with a sheath. I'll unbox this one just to say accessories below. That's neat. It does come with a belt sheath. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to put that as my carry. Oh, Wessex, you lucky git. I'll bowl over by Olight. They've actually sent both. So there's going to be some effort in this, because these are not cheap. These are pretty expensive bits of kit. I got the there's a lanyard at the bottom of there as well. So an in-depth review, honest though it may be. Even got a threading needle on the lanyard to put it through wherever it is it's supposed to go. Come on! They've given you a threading needle to put the lanyard in. Well, I'm not throwing that away, because that is a really handy bit of kit. I'm going to put that there a minute. I don't know, me and electronics. God, the heat coming off of that. Alright, so the end button is, that's tactical attack. Can't take our torches away yet, government. Okay, so thumb is on. Use that, and right, it's a triple strobe. Yeah. Suss that out then. So, on, the last switching it was on, it'll go low, medium, high. High, low, medium, high. From high, double tap will be turbo. Turbo. Off. On. Triple tap. Fantastic. Right, that is my now daily use. Wowee. So I'm going to put it in like that. Details there. That's half a week's money there in the Warrior. That's 2,500 lumen and a beam distance of nearly 300 meters. I think this, yeah, the side switch on this has got a thing to let you know when it's really low. And the battery, 4,500 microamp hours. Hard anodizing, IPX8. Englishman's letter opener, Bark River. There's an opening there. Ah! It's got a magnetic side. That's packaging for you. So, inside you go in and pulley sort of ribbony things. The actual flashlight. Move it out of the way. Box of instructions thing. And obviously all the goes back in there. Oh, now when I was in the band, we used the little additional Velcro sort of cleat thing that you can have for holding your guitar leads all tidy. You've actually included that in there for your USB lead. Yeah, I managed to do it. Even my ham-fisted digits back with the boot. And then well, since there's no end cap, so alright. Okay. High, low, medium, high. Give the old double tap for triple is strobe again. Yep. Not saying anything, guys, but you've worked that out, right? Yeah. Okay, so that should be put back in the box. I shall do the M2T Warrior first. There's the magnetic side. That is a beast. That can go in there. Neat and tidy. There's that. The little cable cleat and some instructions. And that can remain ready for the next review after the Warrior. Thanks for joining me again. It's a bit of a long one, but wow. I was expecting one or the other. I wasn't expecting both. So obviously I'll have this one on test for a week. I shall use it at work. Here I am, as I'm wearing it. Ready? EDC. Okay. There's a torch on the side of my Leverman, and a torch as well. So this one, the Olight, is going to go there for the next week. Okay. So genuine, real deal gear check. That's me. Right, I shall swap that out and crack on with my day, which is ferro rods. Scott from Wessex Plays, thanks for joining me again. Obviously from the upload I shall hopefully be around about for about an hour to answer any queries or questions. Obviously expect a bit of a shout out to Born Survivor. I shall put the label up in the garage and crack on with the day, which is ferro rods for this chap's go lock. I mean, yeah, go lock. Kydex sheath I'm doing. It's got a ferro on it. I don't suppose you guys are into that sort of thing, are you? You know, it's like it's not preppery at all, is it? Rock and roll.